All right, guys, I got another microwave recipe for you. It's a chocolate chip cookie. Okay, it's pretty easy. So you need a tablespoon of butter and you want to melt it. What's the first thing we always do though? Wash our hands. Okay, so you want to melt a tablespoon of butter and you want to put it in, when it's melted, in a microwave safe cup, okay? Then I will add the recipe to this video too, but you need a tablespoon of sugar and a tablespoon of brown sugar, just like so, okay? We're gonna put that in, whisk that away, okay? Whiskey, whiskey, whiskey. I'm making a lot of noise, okay? Next, you wanna add in 3 tablespoons of flour, okay? Let's whisk away. What is that one important thing that always makes a cookie taste really good? Vanilla, like a 1/4 teaspoon. I always like to add a little bit extra, so I'm just gonna eyeball it there, okay? There we go, whisk that in, okay? Now, you can add in next a tablespoon of chocolate chips. Well, I'm gonna use white chips, okay? So you put that in, whisk it away. The chocolatier you want, the more you add, okay? So once you've mixed that all up, we're gonna put it in the microwave for, oh, I gotta go wash my hands now. Put in the microwave for 45 seconds. 45 to 60, but let's go 45 and see what that does, okay? All right. What have you guys been up to? Keeping busy? Enjoying the weather? Took the dog out, that Jameson, for a walk yesterday. Oh my goodness. He just needed to stop and smell the roses. He's just not a very good walker. Maybe he's just out of touch a little bit, but let's see how this cookie turns out. All right. So I hope you guys are staying safe and not driving your folks crazy too much and keeping busy. Make sure you get that schoolwork done. I miss seeing everybody. I miss sports. I just miss people in general. What are we gonna do? But yeah. Oh, it's almost done. Let's see what it looks like. Looky at that. If you got some ice cream, you can put some ice cream on top of that. But my goddaughter's not here to try it, so maybe I will. It's a little hot. Not too bad, you guys. So try it. Let me know how you like it.